don't know what number that one is. 100.
Yeah, you got a long trip now. You got a long trip and long sleep. Dancing again. You hear music. Yay! Nah. So guys, this is the history of the West Germany. So dito tayo pupunta sa museum na ito, guys. So let's go. 1955 to 1962. So, tingnan nyo guys, itong ano, BMW only got 3 wheels, guys. 3 lang ang gulong niya. So that is, oh wow, nice. Cannot open this? Cannot open this? Cannot open, na? Ayan yung kapanahonan noon, oh, nung tumatalon sila sa airplane with their parachutes.
Hitler's dead, yeah.
Hitler is dead, they said.
The German logo. Yeah, I like this flag here,
German's logo. Oh, that is when Hitler is. That's their logo when it's Hitler times. Ayan guys. Ayan, si Foreignoy, makulit, nagmamakto.
It's a bomb duty. What they drop it from the airplane.
It's the big bomb, guys, that they dropped from the airplane. Yeah.
This is, you know, Otto. It's like a big company in Germany. Like it's like a catalog and right after the war.
It's an old camera, guys.
See the airplane now. That's how they do it. Dami pa rin siyang ganyan.
Die Staatsgrenzen verschoben.
So loud.